Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to publish your Base44 app on the App Store. At first go to Base44. Then click on the apps at the top left corner and just open up the app which you want to publish on the App Store. Once your app loaded, choose Publish at the top right corner. Copy the URL, then hit Publish. Then go to median.co. You can use other services as well. Paste the link here, then click on Build Your App. From here type the app name, then tap on Start Building My App. Then you will see that it is going to begin building your app. Click the expand icon and you will see it's currently building for iOS. So, once the app has been built here it should show 100%, and from the left hand side you have to click on Build. Then from here tap on Rebuild. Wait for a moment, then tap on Download. Once you click on Download you will have the source code here. And in order to publish your app on App Store you will need an Apple developer account. If you have an Apple developer account you will upload the files which you have gotten from median.co. And this is how you can publish your Base44 app on the App Store. Thanks for watching.